respected teachers, honorable guests, and my dear friends. Today, I stand before you to speak on a topic that is often misunderstood and misrepresented: jihad. When many people hear the word jihad, they immediately think of violence or war. But this understanding is far from the truth. The word jihad comes from an Arabic root meaning to strive or to struggle. In its true sense, jihad refers to striving for goodness, justice, and self-improvement. The greatest form of jihad, according to Islamic teaching, is jihad against one's own self, struggling against evil desires, speaking the truth, controlling anger, and choosing what is right or what is wrong. This inner struggle builds character, discipline, and moral strength. Islam teaches that jihad is not aggression. It strictly forbids harming innocent people, including women, children, elderly, and non-combatants. Jihad also includes peaceful efforts, such as speaking against injustice, helping the poor and needy, seeking knowledge, promoting peace and harmony in society. The Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam always preferred peace over conflict and taught forgiveness. His life is the greatest example of patience, tolerance, and compassion. Unfortunately, some groups misuse the word jihad to justify violence or war. Such actions have nothing to do with true Islamic teachings and only damage the image of Islam, which is a religion of peace. In conclusion, jihad is not terrorism. It is a noble concept that encourages moral struggle, social reform, and peaceful coexistence. Understanding the true meaning of jihad can help to remove the misconceptions and build bridges, harmony among the people of different faiths. Thank you for kind attention.